Greetings, friends! May is traditionally full of various events and news. PCIM Europe is already online and is promised to bring us a lot of interesting updates. So let's see what is new in power semiconductors industry. Semikron, a leading manufacturer of power electronics, and Silicon Mobility, a solution provider of digital control for electrified powertrain, announced the availability of a 24 to 96 volt inverter platform for automotive battery-powered vehicles and industrial off-road vehicles. Semikron, on one hand, provides Sky3LV, the power assembly, with an advanced integrated MOSFET module with connected DC link, gate driver, protection functions, and sensors. Silicon Mobility, on the other hand, delivers OLEA Composer T222 starter kit for Sky3LV, the digital control and software aspects of the platform. The combined solution offers users access to an optimized, best-in-class and full-sketch Power Plus control inverter platform. A ready-to-go service is available at both Semikron and Silicon Mobility to help customers immediately get their hands on the solution, enabling fast prototyping and development of any industrial or automotive system. Mitsubishi Electric Corporation announced it has developed 7 new X-Series products, 2 HVIGBTs and 5 HVDIODes, boosting the X-Series lineup to 24 power semiconductor modules suitable for increasingly large capacity, small-sized inverters used in traction motors, DC power transmitters, large industrial machinery, and other high-voltage large current equipment. The models will be released sequentially beginning July 1st. The modules are now exhibited at PCIM Europe Digital Days. NEXPERIA, the expert in essential semiconductors, announced volume availability of its second-generation 650-volt power GaN-FET device family, offering significant performance advantages over previous technologies and competitive devices. Available in TO247 packaging, the new 650-volt H2 power GaN-FETs deliver a 36% shrinkage in die size for a given RDS(on) value, for better stability and efficiency. The cascade configuration eliminates the need for complicated drivers, speeding time to market. The device delivers outstanding performance in both hard switching and soft switching configurations, offering designers maximum flexibility. Infineon Technologies has expanded its easy-to-design EICEDRIVER X3 Compact and the highly flexible EICEDRIVER X3 Enhanced Analog and Digital Gate Drive families. Both families now offer variants with superior reinforced isolation for high application safety and long operating life. With 8mm wide-body packages, both families are suitable for applications with demanding isolation requirements, including industrial drives, solar systems, uninterruptible power supplies, EV charging, and other industrial applications. The drivers can be ordered now and are being showcased at Infineon's Virtual Power Conference, which complements PCIM Europe Digital Days. Infineon Technologies has launched a new EasyPACKT module in the company's 1200-volt family. The module comes in 3-level active NPC topology and integrates CoolSiC MOSFETs, trench-stop IGBT7 devices, and NTC temperature sensor along with press-fit contact technology pins. The power module is suitable for fast-switching applications like energy storage systems. The module also increases the power rating and efficiency of solar systems and supports the growing demand for 1500-volt DC-link solar applications. With its improved pin positioning, the module also ensures short and clean commutational loops with reduced stray module inductances. Its optimized layout enables excellent thermal conduction of the CoolSiC MOSFET chips with the EasyPACKT package. In addition, the power module supports easy designing and provides a high degree of freedom for inverter design. The EasyPACK CoolSiC MOSFET is now available and is being showcased in Infineon's Virtual Power Conference, which complements PCIM Europe Digital Days. Technix will supply 50 billion won worth of silicon carbide power management semiconductors to a Taiwan-based company. The South Korean component maker will supply around 80 million units of the chips by December 2025 to the customer. The customer will use the chips for its own e-bike as well as to a Chinese home appliance firm, which is its shareholder. Technix is the only company in South Korea that manufactures silicon carbide power chips. A company spokesperson said the latest deal indicates the quality of its chips and will lead to sales growth. JEDEC Solid-State Technology Association, the global leader in standards development for the microelectronics industry, announced the publication of GEP 184, guideline for evaluating bias temperature instability of silicon carbide metal oxide semiconductor devices for power electronic conversion. The publication, developed by JEDEC's JC70.2 Silicon Carbide Subcommittee, GEP 184, is available for free download from the JEDEC website. GEP184 provides definitions and procedures for characterizing the threshold voltage instability of silicon carbide-based power electronic conversion semiconductor devices having a gate dielectric region bias to turn devices on and off. On May 18, join Infineon webinar to learn about the positioning of silicon carbide for solar and energy storage applications. The webinar will cover the benefits of using Infineon silicon carbide MOSFET for solar and energy storage power conversion, supported by real application examples. During the webinar, you will get a better understanding of the main technology trends in solar inverters. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, see you next week with more market news. Meanwhile, go to Marketing Psycho website for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.